guys. So I'm sorry for my hair, but sorry for my hair. I'm about to see how it feels outside. So this is how it looks like outside. This is. Oh Jesus Christ! It's raining, plus it's cold. Plus the door was unlocked the whole time. It's cold outside. I'm about to put one on. So don't mind my hair when I get it washed later on in the day. Maybe I'll still be recording. I don't know. I might be. So there's gonna be a cut. It's just gonna be a cuts and edit video because I'm gonna be cutting. I'm gonna be using edits in this video. I forgot to get my shaving cream. From because I was gonna put it in my salon, but I can't now. I'm putting sweatsuit on. I'm putting this on. No, I can wear my unicorn onesie. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. So I'm about to pick some clothes out. And I'm about to put on a sweatsuit. And so, this is my, I don't know why my jeans are in there, but I have a PS4 too. I have too much clothes. These are stuck here. I'll just back up. Get these here. Oh, put them right there. Now I'll be able to pull off. I feel like this is about to break. I have nothing to wear. Space Cat shirt. I've been recording for 3 minutes straight already. I'm recording on my phone too. Because my camera's dead and I don't have a memory card. Where is my sweatsuit?
They just one in this basket right here.
Alright. I'm about to go across my basket. I'm gonna cut that because that was too long. Look, I bought it over for my sweatsuit because it is raining outside. Pink sweatshirt and sweatpants. How about to show you guys the outfit? play Fortnite. Link in the description below. My Fortnite username. And if we at least get to, let's try to hit 200 likes. If we get 200 likes on this video, then I will come out with some merch. Comment down below if you want some merch or if you want a slime video, something like that. Oh my god. Everything has to be inside out. I deleted 78 videos just to make this video. Because my storage was full. What'd you do? Huh? As I'm getting dressed. You guys don't have to know that. I'm gonna edit this out. I'm gonna edit this out perfectly. Because this is too much to say. I'm bringing my slime over my grandma's house. And I'm also bringing my computer so I can edit this video. Take off these shorts, put these pants on. I'm editing this out. I never edited something before. I have edited something before, but like not in a video. This is gonna be my first time editing a video. I'm gonna wear my flops because I don't feel like putting any shoes on. I have to get a manicure and pedicure. I said manicure instead of manicure. Yeah. Don't mind the other stuff. I'm putting on my flops. Here was one. Don't mind, my hair is gonna get changed after I go to my mom's house. I got this shirt last year for Christmas. I also play Call of Duty. I don't play this game. This was a rent game. This was a rental game. This one isn't a rental game. So yeah. I play Fortnite. I play Fortnite. Why am I watching that? I play Fortnite. I'm tier 100. I'm tier 100. I'll say 100. No. Okay, well that it's loading. I'm gonna take my flops off because I don't feel like this. Anyways. I'm about to play my slime. Is this the right slime I'm gonna play? This is the wrong slime. I opened up the wrong container. Okay then. Where's my other container? Oh, my other container is gone. It's missing. My other container is missing. Never mind. Take a look at that slime while I'm getting this other slime ready. Or take a look at the bed. Ew. Ew. No. Guys, look. That's disgusting. This was a beautiful slime. Because I already had a slime in here. That's why the lid was like this. I had a glittery slime. It was a giant glittery slime. But now, look at it. The glitter and stuff from it. Ew. I'm gonna mix this together, guys. See if the glitter actually reacts to it. Mix this in. You can't even see it anymore. I'm gonna do some slime ASMR. I added a lot of shaving cream to this. Okay. Oh my god, background music. Stop. I'll save the world also so we can make some trades. But I got scammed for my whole inventory, so I scammed a lot of people. JK, it was a JK. I don't scam people. I am tier 100. As you can see, I am tier 100. Wait a second. I can prove it to you. I'm tier 100. 100. Tier 100. Season 5 Max Battle Pass. Ragnarok. I unlocked Ragnarok. I don't even like Ragnarok. To be honest, I might give it to you guys. Hold up. No, go back, go back. Okay, anyway, let's get back to slime. Sorry if you hear the Fortnite freaking background music. My sleeves. I use Elmer's glue and I literally put shaving cream inside of this. Cause I'm literally gonna get one in. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out.